Hi, I'm Ronan Healy. I'm the Associate Director for Single-Use Technologies for CPI Biotech. We're located in Little Island in Cork, in Ireland. We manufacture single-use assemblies and bioprocess kits for the biopharmaceutical industry, serving Ireland and international. This is one of our latest single-use bioprocess skids. This is a PUPSIT final filtration skid for highly potent antibody drug conjugates. Utilizing a PUPSIT setup for post-sterilization and pre-use integrity testing. We have a 4-glove port opening with access to all of the valves and instrumentation within. Here we have our CPI Biotech shadow board, designed in-house using quality by design principles by the engineering team. The shadow board displaying the single-use flow path, outlining the valve locations, the pressure sensor locations, is all designed in-house by the engineering team. Inside we have a full setup for final filtration. The valves are arranged for easy access and easy installation of all tubing assemblies. The filters are mounted on interchangeable clamps for changing out between filter manufacturers. The volume of Wi-Fi flushed through the filters is collected in a waste bag and is monitored from a Mettler Toledo load cell. This is an innovative skid whereby it brings a PUPSIT cart into an antibody drug conjugate manufacturing facility, giving operator protection using a polycarbonate enclosure and glove ports to control all valves and take samples. We're really excited to be delivering these skids to our customers using the latest single-use technologies in the biomanufacturing industry.